Class 10, Chapter 12, Applications of Trigonometry, Exercise 2, 10th problem. Last problem of this chapter. For remaining problems, we check out in the playlist. 10th problem, same as similar to 6th problem. The angle of elevation of top of a tower from the foot of the building is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 60 degrees. What is the ratio of heights of the towers and building? Look at this. This is a tower and this is a building. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building, from the foot of the building, from the foot of the building up to here, 30 degrees. 30 degrees. And next step, the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower, top of the building from the foot of the tower, this angle is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. This is given. We should find the ratio of the building and height. हिंदी बिल्डिंग दिए, एक टावर दिए, इन दोनों में एंगल्स दिए, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 30 डिग्री 60 डिग्रीज. हम लोग को क्या करना बोलते हैं, रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना बिल्डिंग की అండ్ టవర్కి. తెలుగు ఒక బిల్డింగ్ ఇచ్చిండు, ఒక టవర్ ఇచ్చిండు, వీటి హైట్స్ మనకి ఇవ్వలేదు, ఓన్లీ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్ 30 డిగ్రీ 60 డిగ్రీ ఇచ్చిండు. మనం వీటి రేషియో కనుక్కోవాలి, బిల్డింగ్ టవర్ రేషియో ఏంటిదో కనుక్కోవాలి. హియర్ ఎనీ టైమ్ యుల్ గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ మీన్స్ హౌ టు రైట్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్. See here, after drawing the figure, how to, where should keep 30 degrees and where should keep 60 degrees angle you want to, you'll get confused means I'll tell on technique. See here, this is the smallest side opposite to smallest angle, and longest side, this is the longest side opposite to bigger angle. In Hindi हम लोग confuse हो गए तो कैसे लिखना बोलता हूँ, मैं टेक्निक बोलता हूँ. ये स्मॉलेस्ट साइड है ना, ये स्मॉलेस्ट साइड ऑपोजिट 30 डिग्री स्मॉलेस्ट एंगल है. ये बड़ा एंगल है ना, बड़ा साइड है ना, ये बड़े साइड को బడా యాంగిల్ లిఖనా. ఇన్ తెలుగు మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయితే యాంగిల్స్ ఎలా రాయాలో కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయితే చూడండి, ఈ సైడ్ చిన్నగా ఉంది కదా, యాంగిల్ చిన్నది, ఈ సైడ్ పెద్దగా ఉంది కదా, యాంగిల్ పెద్దది. లైక్ దిస్ యూ షుడ్ రిమెంబర్ అండ్ యూ షుడ్ డ్రా ద ప్రాబ్లమ్, డ్రా ద ఫిగర్. అండ్ నౌ విల్ టేక్ ద ABCs. Here I'll take AB is the height of the building, AB is the height of the building and CD is the height of the tower. AB is the height of the building, CD is the height of the tower. Angle of elevations are 30 degrees and 60 degrees given. We should find the ratios. Now based upon this, I'll draw one more figure. See here, AB is the height of the tower, AB is the height of the building and CD is the height of the tower. Angle of elevations are 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Longest side opposite to bigger angle, smallest side opposite to smaller angle. Now by taking triangle ABD and one more triangle CDB, I'll prove the problem. See here, first step, let the height of the building be AB, let the height of the building be AB and height of the tower be CD. Here height of the tower be CD and distance between foot of the tower and foot of the building is BD. Distance between foot of the tower and foot of the building is BD. We are taking BD. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the foot of the building is 30 degrees. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower to from the foot of the building is 30 degrees angle. Next point, the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 60 degrees. The angle of elevation from the top of the tower to the foot of the building, the angle of elevation from the top of the building to foot of the tower is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Building to tower is 60 degrees angle. See here, by taking triangle ABD, I am proving the problem. ABD is a right angle at B. Here longest side is hypotenuse and longest side is hypotenuse, B side is adjacent side, another side is opposite side. Now we'll take tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equals to opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta, where theta is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore opposite side by adjacent side. Now tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3. Tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3, where opposite side is equals to AB, height of the building, where is the distance BD, adjacent side, opposite side AB, adjacent side BD. Now we will find this BD value. Cross multiplication, root 3 into BD is equals to AB. Now root 3 right RHS side, multiplication quantity becomes a division quantity. Here BD is equals to AB by root 3. This is equation 1. By taking triangle CDB, I'll prove the problem. See here, by taking triangle CDB, where in a triangle CDB, angle D is equal to 90 degrees. CDB is a right angle triangle at D. Angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Here longest side is hypotenuse, B side is adjacent side, other side is opposite side. Now we'll take tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equals to opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side by adjacent side. Here tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3, where opposite side is CD, opposite side is CD, and adjacent side is BD from the figure. In both the cases we'll find BD only. Now by cross multiplication, BD is equals to CD into root 3. This is 2. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get here first one. What is the first equation? BD is equal to AB by root 3. I'll write this total. BD is equals to AB by root 3, AB by root 3, but BD is equal to CD into root 3. This is solved in second equation. Now in the place of BD, I'll write CD into root 3. See here, CD root 3 is equals to AB by root 3. In the place of BD, I am writing CD into root 3. BD place I am writing CD into root 3. Now by CD into root 3 by 1 will write and will cross multiply. Here CD as it is right. CD by AB you write here. AB here you will get and 1 by root 3 into root 3 whole square. Root and square get cancelled. CD by AB is equals to 1 by 3. Therefore CD is to AB is equals to 1 is to 3. We can write this fraction as a by values, we can write in the ratio form. C is to AB is equals to 1 is to 3. Therefore the ratio of heights of tower and building is equals to 1 is to 3 ratio. See here, CD and AB is equals to 1 is to 3 ratio. CD suppose 1 time there means building, 3 times will be. This is the ratio of the tower and building. Hence we proved.